Hello and welcome. My name is Marc Blatstein, the physician founder of Physician Pre-Sentence Report Service. This YouTube is about when should the attorney make the BOP or make a prison placement request? When is actually the best time? Well, right after the judge sentences you or sentences the defendant is when the attorney should say, Your Honor, we'd like to make a placement request, and it needs to be based on a reason. So can we make it either based on the drug program, RDAP programming, or there's a medical reason or a mental health reason? One of those two, like I'm using those as examples. The judge will say possibly okay. Then only offer one prison by name. And if the judge says okay, then the attorney should then ask, is it okay if the court asks the BOP, if they're unable to honor our request, could they let the court know in writing? And if the judge looks at you and says, okay, then say, just thank you very much, Your Honor. And then that is all. And if we're able to get that much done, then that's a win. And I thank you very much for listening. I hope that you found this helpful, but it's very important. Sometimes you need just to ask for one prison and then give a name of the prison. And if it's a compound or if there's multiple prisons on one compound, you don't want to say just the name of the system. If it's a satellite camp, name the satellite camp. So thank you very much. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for listening. And again, if you choose to engage someone, you can give me a call or find someone to help you with sentence mitigation. But definitely you don't want to approach this on your own because the nuances involved here are very specific.